Hi friends, the last time we talked about money or kwarta in Bisaya. So as a review, let's have just a short recap of what we have discussed before. So kwarta is money. So if I say daghan ko kwarta, in English it means I have a lot of money. Wala ko'y kwarta means I don't have any money. If I'll say, na ako'y gamay na kwarta, it means I have a little amount of money. And if I want to say, I'm poor, in Bisaya we'll say, pobre ko, pobre ko. And if I say, I'm very poor, I'll say in Bisaya, pobre kaayo ko. Again, let's have a review. Kwarta means money. Dato means rich. Dato kaayo means very rich. Poor means pobre. Pobre kaayo is very poor. In this episode, we are going to talk about Philippine money, but in Bisaya. Okay, so this will come useful, especially when you're going to supermarket, to palengkes, and even riding public transportation. So let's start with the sincilio or the coins. So 1 peso is piso. 1 peso, 1 peso is piso. Piso. 5 pesos is cinco. 5 pesos is cinco. 5 pesos, cinco. 10 pesos is diez. 10 pesos is diez. 10 pesos is diez. Then I think we have a new coin, the 20 pesos. 20 pesos is 20. 20 pesos, 20. So if you ask someone, a vendor or a driver, example, tagpila, which means how much, tagpila, and then they'll say tag 20, what do you think he or she means? 20 is, that's right, it's 20. 20 is 20. Again, when it comes to the coins, we have piso, cinco, diez, and 20. So let's go to the bills. So I think 20 peso bill is still existing. So we'll say the same thing again. So 20 pesos is 20. 20 is 20. 50 is 50. 50 is 50. 100 is usa kagatos. Again, 100 is usa kagatos. 200 is duha kagatos. 200 is duha kagatos. 500 is lima kagatos. 500 is lima kagatos. Then 1,000 is usa kalibo. 1,000 is usa kalibo. If you have noticed, we have a lot of similarities in Spanish counting. That's because of the Spanish influence in our culture. But then if we say one, we don't say uno, but instead we say piso. Just like, tagpila na. How much is it? Tagpiso means it's the item cost 1 peso. So after piso, we have dos, then tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, diez. Then 11, we have once, doce, trece, catorce, quince, dieciséis, diecisiete, dieciocho, diecinueve, and 20. But then when you go to 21, you don't say 20 piso, but instead you say 21. Then you follow the same pattern. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, then 30 is 30. Then it follows patterns 31 and so on and so forth. How about 40? 40 is 40. 50 is 50. 60, 60. 70, 70. 80, 80. 90, 90. And as I said before, 100 is usa ka gatos. And I hope you learned something from me today. If you have questions or suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comment section. And if you're still not friends here in YouTube, don't hesitate to follow us for free Bisaya lessons. Hangtod sa sunod, I'm Teacher Joanne. Salamat!